How to create your own server on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create your own server on Discord easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to this plus button right here in the top and click on it. Now you will have many options right here. Click on create my own right here. Now choose what your server type, for a club or community, or for me or my friends. Click and now add the photo of your server and click create server. Now choose the topic of your server, for example sport or technology, and click take me to my server. Now this is my server link. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.